Good morning. It's a December morning in Chennai. December is the month of the music season in Chennai. South Indian Carnatic music is there all over the place in Chennai. There are so many music festivals. When you go to a South Indian music festival, what you enjoy most is the atmosphere, the kacheri, and it is never complete without a cup of South Indian coffee. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make South Indian percolator coffee in a coffee maker. This is a percolator type of a coffee maker. I will show you the parts. So I'll be showing you how to make coffee. So this coffee maker is from Bhutan. It has got three parts. This is a bottom jar in which you pour water, and in the middle compartment there is a sieved filter over here. As you can see the pores. This will contain coffee powder. It's kept into this chamber here, and the water is taken into this chamber. This chamber is kept over the induction stove or a gas. Water will boil, percolate through this coffee powder in this chamber and collect in this upper chamber. So I'm going to show you the coffee making on an induction stove. I've shown you how to make tea on an induction stove. Today I'm going to show you how to make coffee. So to do that, I'm taking milk and pouring the necessary amount of milk for one person in a coffee mug, and then I will be transferring it to a flat bottom vessel. I've got nearly 3/4 of a cup, and this should suffice for one person. So I take some water and pour it into this bottom container, taking care that water won't spill over. There is sufficient water for 1 or 2 cups of coffee. So this is the filter portion. I'll be adding coffee powder. This is ground coffee powder. I just press it in gently. You can do it with the fingers also. But it should not be pressed too hard. This will accommodate 1 heaped teaspoon of coffee powder, not more. Whereas in a traditional filter, you can put up to 3 teaspoons of coffee powder. I'm yet to see if this 1 teaspoon is going to make a strong enough cup of coffee. Take the filter chamber and put it inside the water pot. Screw the top portion. Should not be screwed in too tight. And now this assembly is ready. So I'm going to heat up this water on a Philips SD 398 induction stove. It can be done on a gas also. I place the coffee pot on an induction stove. Turn on the power. And there is a preset for milk. And the first setting is sim, so I press it again. Now it will boil coffee, and the water will boil, percolate through this coffee powder and gather in the upper chamber. take about a minute for the water to boil. So now you can see coffee percolating through these holes. And accumulating in the top container. Now coffee is stopped to the cup. I'm boiling milk. Milk has started to boil. So bring it down to sim. And then we can turn off the power supply or pause it. It won't cook now. And better turn off the power supply. Turn off the power supply. And switch off the mains. So decoction has been made here. Milk is ready and I'm going to mix the two. I've added 3 tablets of stevia into this as a sweetener. Take this decoction, it has got a beak, pour it into this. You can see that it is sufficiently brown and strong. Now pour milk into this. The milk has already been boiled. This is the color of coffee. Seems to be sufficiently strong for a South Indian. Mix it up and see how it tastes. Quite strong, sufficiently strong. So that is early morning South Indian coffee to the tune of Mangala Vadyam, Bauli Ragam, Carnatic music. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.